It's all batteries on top.
Are you serious?
Electric truck 32 batteries.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Believe it or not, golf cart batteries.
Really?
We have an 8-volt and a 6-volt.
Wow. That's a big bank.
You can stand on there on the side if you want.
Woo! That's wild.
Got a 200 amp charger on the side, 180 amps on that side. Down there on the bottom, you already got the picture.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's wild.
It's a little different than last year.
Man.
I turned on the LED for you so you can see better.
It's awesome. Did I get in? All right. Whoa. So this is drivable.
Technically, yeah. But,
I know how to drive every day. Yeah. Nice. You coming in? You come in?
you just gotta come in and shut the door.
You have to shut the door when you come in, yeah.
Wow.
Are these ZB5 or 6s? ZB5s, okay.
Still waiting on 6 from last October.
Really? What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. Very unique style system. I'm pretty sure it's a trailer system, but it is able to drive off the trailer for the show. At the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina is where this was at. 4 of the 18-inch subs. This is a 4th order enclosure with this viewpoint. There's a sealed section on the bottom where the sub cone is, making this a 4th order, and a powerful amount of power. So 8,000 watts per sub. Total of 32,000 watts between these 4 Salt 8Ks. Didn't really find out a lot of information about the system. Sorry about that, but I did get a quick walk around, so I hope you enjoyed that. And it's insane to see him have this many batteries. I was expecting a big lithium bank on top of the vehicle, but no, he had a total of 32 golf cart batteries with a big charger, pretty much supporting this system with the vehicle off. Don't really see a lot of people have this much power ran at a show all day without an alternator running. So really smart, unique idea, something different. And of course, this isn't nothing that you're going to be doing for your daily driver system. And we're getting to the demo. There's a total of 32,000 watts on 4 18-inch subs. If you missed that, he's definitely not turning it all the way up for this demo, but we got to see the sauce. Pretty extreme cabin work done to this vehicle as well. So welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos, and enjoy.
I'ma show you how to
Like your video.
Shorties wanna tell shooters on my butt. Maybe not. Won't stop. Got so many be mistaken, I swear. Got so many people that other than either you or me. That's your sign. This life, girl, shorties wanna talk. Yeah. Shooters on my block. Yeah. Pedal up, baby, now. Yeah, won't stop. Got so many, be mistaken, I swear up. Got so many people that other than say that you that's your side. This life got too deep, baby. 2 or 3. Black leather glove, no seat. Buckles up. Crossbody got a piece. Gotta dance with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It's alright.
Hey, can I see under the hood real quick?
Yeah.
Anyway, I just like to see all the
Nothing
other.
under it, doesn't even run.
It's not even running. Oh, y'all are on lithium battery power.
All batteries up top. It's all batteries up top.
Are you serious?
The electric trucks underneath. 32 batteries.
Whoa. Thank you for the demo. Woo! Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.